Hey everybody, digital creators and tech enthusiasts, welcome back to Tech Press. Today we're going to be delving into the Runway Motion Brush. It is the Generation 2, the best artificial intelligence tool for turning images into videos. Well, let's explore these features and see how it stacks up against the competition. So let's get ready to an exciting tech deep dive. Alright, so highlight this ability of the power tool designed to bring static images to bring this to life by adding realistic motion effects is one of the amazing tools that Runway Motion works so well. And how you can do this is by just dragging the image or the video you want to move on into your free version of your account into Runway. I'm going to go into app.runwayml.com, and as you can see here is my actual images. So you have an actual free preview and you have to generate 4 versions. For an actual free version, you only have 4 versions and 100 seconds to use this totally for free. Now, is this an actual great feature usability? Now, these advanced features like the custom motion paths, the artificial intelligence-based scene interpretation and integration with other softwares is a little bit complicated to emulate. Rather with speaking about the artificial movement motion that is into the actual background, sometimes this video generation can be a little bit hard to emulate because there's actually not so much competition there. Now, jitter.video is something you can use totally for free, and the motion works exactly as it is. Now, if you checked out, for example, this kind of applications, you don't have the feature that is like the crown that gives the crown for the actual runway, which is the motion brush. So check out the image that we have just uploaded. As you can see, this is an actual video. Now there's 4 seconds here and we didn't do absolutely anything there. But let's say that you wanted to add something else. You can go into the motion brush. And now here into the motion brush, you have control in a specific area with the motion brush. So you can brush over the area to apply the motion controls. You don't need to be precise. So you can choose, let's say, for example, only this part and leave it like this, vertical like that, horizontal in proximity like this, and hit into save. Now you have this movement here. I am moving now this section and of course the back side. So there's like a 3D dimensional stuff here that of course you cannot do into other applications. Of course jitter, it does something easy, but I believe that this is something that is more basic and commonly for YouTube, for example. But here, this is something that it is truly amazing, guys. And you have now the text here. You can describe, let's say for example, the mountains in 4K. This one should be helping the application to better understand the results and to improve the camera motion. So change the camera motion to roll it. You can zoom this. The speed should be a little bit much more faster. Generate all of this will be taking a little bit of time, but check out how is the movement of all the elements that we have generated here. It is actually something amazing. Now the real world application and performance, how these tools can be used into various scenarios. Now we have digital art, there's marketing, there's social media content creation, and much more. For this particular tutorial we use this motion of the actual mountains because you can see that we have not only the actual background, we can see that there's like a sunset going up here, like there's a dawn here. Check out the mountain colors. This is something truly amazing for people who wanted to generate videos for YouTube. They want to do documentaries, they can even do filmmaking stuff. It is actually really great visuals. The performing of the quality of the motion effects, the rendering speed, the tools that appears here is actually something innovating, and so far I believe that's going to be a really great tool. Now we have the upgrade version. So the amazing thing is that we have the $12 per month. If you want to check that out, I'm going to leave you the link down below in the description, guys, so you can check out this amazing tool for this generation of the motion of your videos. So with that being said, guys, I believe that is it the best artificial intelligence video to the tool? Based on this analysis, I believe that so far there's nothing best than the Runway application for motion into videos. But you can tell us down below in the comments below what do you think about this actual stuff. What do you think about this tool? If you have something else to share to us, you can provide the feedback of yourselves into our comments below. So don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, guys. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the text forest. Remember to stay tuned for more cutting edge tech reviews and tips. And well, see you guys on the next video.